So one of my clients just sent me this. And they want to learn how to dance in the background of something while it's not moving. So I'm going to share with you guys how to do it on Instagram. And then we're going to share how we're going to do it on TikTok. Y'all ready? Let's do it. All right, so first we're going to start with TikTok because I'm already on TikTok. Now, you want to make sure that you select the effects. Right here is where you select the different type of effects that you can use. It automatically had it on green screen video because I use it a lot to share with you guys. But you can search green screen, and the one without the play button is the one you want to select. I'm just going to select a photo of me and my husband. That should do it. My baby right there. Now you need to set your timer before it. Put your phone in position, and then you're gonna set the timer. Hold on. This my counterparts, y'all call this a hack, and my people in my culture, we call this a little rigging. All right. Now I can reposition myself by squeezing myself on the screen with 2 fingers or your finger and your thumb, and you can move yourself. And you want to get a sound that you want to dance to. Now, before the sound is up here, sometimes they'll add some sound.
You know, if it wasn't for you. So happy together.
All right, we got the sound. You have to make sure down here that you set what time it is that you want. So if it's 10 minutes, it should be a 10-minute dance, by the way. 60 seconds, 15 seconds, but don't do photo because then you're going to be standing there looking crazy. I did that already. All right, now let's set our timer.
So happy together.
3, 2, 1.
So happy together.
All right, so you get the gist of it. Let's take a look and see how it looks.
So happy together. So happy together.
All right, so that's how you use it on TikTok, and you can type up whatever it is that you want at the top to say. Okay, they do have in the editor. Let's go. In the editor, which that's where we're at. In the editor, they do have options to add text to your video. You can add any text that you like, and you can change the font on it. You can actually make it look like a typewriter. So we're going to go through that. Let's see. When people say you're just a housewife, like it's a bad thing. Okay, y'all got it. And then here you could do a whole bunch of different stuff with it. We're gonna put it, I don't like that. All right, we'll do that. Now this does give you the option to make it move right over here, this section right here. You can have it to type out, to wipe out like that, fade out, or we could use the typewriter. Ooh, I like that. Let's change the font. All right, I like that. I like blue. All right. Now, once you get the color and how you want it to put on there, just make sure that you place it, move it on the screen wherever you want. And I'm going to pull this all the way to the end of the video so the whole video has this text on it. I mean, you can get creative with it however you want, but this is a process to do for TikTok. The editor is sure to connect for more tips, and make sure you check out the results of this video. I will have it under my dancing playlist.